Why are we disconnected from nature? Okay, so starting off, one of the main contributors to our problem are video games. Hey, I like them too, but that doesn't mean they're good for us. They can be violent and get us very frustrated. We can become so addicted that we don't want to go outside or anywhere at all. Did you know that 90% of Americans drive to work? It's crazy. Do you know how much gas that is? 'Cause I don't. Just kidding. That is around 142 billion gallons per day. And another problem. Hey, we all like our social media, but some people spend way too much time on it. Facebook has around 1.09 billion daily active users. 1.09 billion. And don't even get me started on mobile apps and smartphones. We all have our Tumblr, Instagram, Snapchat, Kik, etc., etc., etc. But have you ever taken the time to think about just how much time you spend on your phones? It's time for some changes. Don't you agree? For instance, there are people who bike to work or walk if they can, and they have the right idea. It's not only good for you, but it's good for the environment as well. It's always relaxing to just listen to some music or read a good book outside when you just kind of want to be by yourself, you know? You could also go deep into nature and take a hike, or go camping in the mountains and get your peace of mind. And I know this seems ridiculous, but if you are one of those people that simply cannot put down their electronics, first, you may need some help. And second, you could honestly just take your stuff outside and find a nice spot on the grass. Well, that was my Making a Difference M.A.D project. Thanks for watching.